Ones that have really caught the eye of our severe weather expert, Dr. Greg Forbes. Give us an update on what is important about these storms.
Well, they're going to have damaging winds.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for your area.
Timeline is just showed about 10 minutes right into downtown Nashville. It's a big cluster of storms. The big picture here is you see a whole line of storms, but all sorts of little kinks and dog legs along the way, and each one of those has the possibility of tornado. There has been a tornado or a possible tornado sighted about 6 miles southwest of Dixon, so that's the storm.
Edge with master photographer Peter Lick, Thursday nights at 8 on the Weather Channel. Now, your local on the 8s.
The National Weather Service has issued a weather bulletin. Currently in our area, 66 degrees with a heavy thunderstorm. Our local Doppler radar. Today, windy with strong thunderstorms. Storms may produce large hail and strong winds. High 72. Winds southwest at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Rainfall possibly over 1 inch. For tonight, strong to severe thunderstorms may produce large hail and strong winds. Low 41. Winds west-northwest at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain 90%. On Tuesday, partly cloudy skies, high 52. Our 7-day outlook.
Welcome back as we take a look at our Global Forecast Center briefing going on right now, where our team of meteorologists continues to track the threat for severe weather, the outbreak across the Tennessee Valley, the southeast, and eventually into the mid-Atlantic.
And this outbreak again has a large potential swath